Hello, dear students. Once again, I, Mika Chandwani, welcome you all into my computers class. Today, we are going to learn about how does a computer work. Okay, let's begin our class. Now, what is computer and how does it work? What is a computer? We all know computer is a machine which accepts the data in the form of letters, words, and numbers. So all these are called my input and these are also called as my data. So these data are nothing but my input and the devices which accept the data are called my input devices. After getting the input, all these data gets processed and there is only one processing device, we call it as CPU. After processing the data, we get the final result and the final result is also known as our output. The devices on which we get the output are called output devices. So, in terms of computer, we have an IPO cycle. Now, how does it work? First is the data, which is my input, that is being processed. Okay, after processing, we get the information in the form of output. Okay, so this is how my IPO cycle works for computer. But besides this, there are many other examples in our surroundings presenting the examples of IPO cycle. We are going to learn later. Fine. So before that, we have let's learn about input. Now, what is input and input device? First is data which we enter into computer is input, and the devices which helps to enter the data are called my input devices. Now, what can be data? It can be the alphabets, numbers, symbols. All these alphabets and numbers can be entered to keyboard, and therefore my keyboard is my input device. Next is mouse. We give instructions to the computer that please open this or select this or drag this item. So we do all these instructions with the help of mouse, and hence mouse is also my input device. Next is processing. So after receiving the data, right, this processing takes part. Now, for computer, who does processing? Yes, it's CPU, Central Processing Unit. Fine. It processes the data properly, okay? And after that, we get the final result, okay? The final result which we get is an output, and the devices where I am getting the output are called my output devices. Now, in terms of computer, where the output can be displayed, if I talk about the displaying part, it is always displayed on the monitor, and hence monitor is an output device. If I take the printout, then printer becomes my output device. If I am speaking something, then of course other examples are speakers, right? So all these are examples. Now let's learn about other examples of IPO cycle surrounding us. First is, the process of making a cup of tea. Yes. First is, now for making a cup of tea, what can be my input? It can be, an electric kettle filled with water. Now it is plugged inside the electrical socket. Once we turn on, then processing starts. The bags are placed inside the teapots. The water in the kettle boils. The boiling water is poured into the tea pot and the tea. Now this tea is ready. The brewed tea is poured into the teapot. The milk is added later on. The tea is that's how my tea is ready, and it is ready for consuming or for drinking. Of course, the way of making tea differs from place to place, but here we have applied it. Other examples. Next is, let's make a milkshake or mango shake, you can say. What can be the input in this case? We have mango pulp, then sugar, milk, then they all are being blended inside the mixture grinder, and then we all this together, and my milkshake is ready, or mango shake is ready. Okay, next is preparing pizza. Wow. First one, pizza base with topping. Processing is baking process in the micro oven, and then output is wow. Hot, yummy pizza is ready. Dude. Of course, now we are making toys using clay. So what can be the input over here? Input is of course my clay with different colors. Processing is with whatever the shape we wanted to give it to that clay, and the output with various toys. It can be a bird, elephant, or any other shape if you want. This is how. Now, for you, small exercise I am giving you, children. I want you to brainstorm yourself to get few more examples from the surrounding, and please prepare them in the chat book. Good luck. Thank you. See you in my next class. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please do like, subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.